Okay, my peeps. This is I with Lumber Worms and Garden. I made my first batch of the liquid culture juice. So I'm getting ready to make another batch. So I need 1,000 milliliters of water in my blender. I already measured out 2 grams of dry malt, 2 grams of Peptone, it's 1 to 2, and I got 2 in there, and then 35 grams of dextrose. That's the solution that I'll be putting the liquid culture in. See if I can do it without causing too much foam. So I'm gonna let it sit until it gets to that clarity. Well, that's it for now. Okay, so the dust is settled. And I can pour my culture food, the mixture, into the mason jars. So you want approximately 500 in each. Biology class, right? It's 500, but there's a little extra. Let's see if I can give it to both. A little extra. All right. So that's 2 more down in my journey to making more liquid culture. I'll start out making these jars with the mixture, and then I will add the culture to this for my syringes. I'll put 1 cc in here, and I got 10 cc's per syringe, so that's just 1 strain. So imagine how much I can make from what I have on hand.